welcome. I hope it's quite interesting. He knows it will be quite interesting. It might change as well. Welcome to the second day of this conference, Changes in the Climate in the Ocean, from Evidence to Communication. Hey, and that's our business. We communicate about climate change, and the ocean is a major contributor. My name is Helga van Leur. For people who don't know me, keep it that way. I did the weather presenting for about more than 20 years in the Netherlands. And now I'm communicating about climate, sustainability and behavior, because I think that's the key in the end. That's me. I saw the pictures yesterday and I thought, oh, everybody got a more nicer picture than in reality, so sorry. That's what I used to be. We'll keep it that way. It will be broadcasted live. There are translations in English and French. We've got headsets. If you need one, they can reach out to you. Please, at lunchtime, bring it back. I know you will not do it on purpose. And let's use social media as well, because it's about communicating. We have 2 hashtags. Oh, I have to first say channel 2 is in English, but we know it from yesterday. 2 in English, 3 in French. And if you have too much noise around you, you can use the stage audio, number 1, so you can hear it more clearly. We have the hashtags. There they are. To find the social media, the LinkedIn and the Blue Sky, use hashtag FIMC2025, FIMC2025, or UNOC3, UNOC3. It's not on the screen. I asked them to, but especially on those 2 platforms, we try to reach out to the people who are really interested in this subject, and there's much more to do about it. It will focus on media communication, on climate change and ocean, and the content of today has been made by Mr. Alain RATIER. Is he around? Mr. Alain! Alain, they corrected me. I said just Alain. My nephew called Alain, so I called you Alain. Mr. Alain, you did a hard job to put those 2 days together.
Thank you, Helga.
What was your thought about this day? What would you like us to learn?
What I think about this day is that we will first share the knowledge base for communication. That's the starting point. And then we will see how we move from science communication to media communication. That's the purpose of today. So first of all, you will hear about the role of the ocean in the climate system, and also some uncertainties. And then yesterday, Pierre Bayrel referred to the State of the Ocean report, and you will hear about the state of the ocean today. And then we will look at the impact of climate change on the health of the ocean, which is a very important topic. Then we will move to showing evidence of change, first from satellite imagery and observations, and then from the digital ocean we discussed yesterday, so we have some consistency. Then we will look a bit into the future, into the expected impacts of climate change, in particular on extreme sea level, also the impact of global warming on people, but also on ecosystems, and both are related, as you know. And in the end, we will end up with this round table, where we will see if, how, and when we can communicate on the science, we can convert science communication messages into media communication, see the challenges, etc. And then this afternoon we'll have a workshop where we look at the transformation of science data into media-centric products.
I spoke to you yesterday and you said, it's too little time. I want to do so much more. But you know about communicating, it's about the feeling you left at the end. Yeah. So in the end of the day, what should be the feeling these people should have?
They are able to communicate on climate and the ocean, and they have a starting point for that.
Good. Thank you very much. Mr. Alain, give him a big applause, please. Is that a big applause? Come on. That's better. He did a really hard job. He mailed 1,000 times to all the kind of participants, so it's a really big job putting this all together.